Hello everyone, once again to our channel Code and Communicate. So in today's class we are going to learn confusing preposition, that is what? In, on, at and by. That most of the learners get confused on these words. Okay, like on, in, at, but. Sorry, not but, by. Okay, but don't worry. I'll make it super easy with easy examples so that you'll never get confused in this words. Okay, now see, first we'll see in. Okay, now in is used in place. Okay, in is used where? In is used in place also, and it is used in time also. Okay, so just remember that inside something, if the sentence is talking about inside something, then used in. Okay, like for example, see, example, she is in the room. Okay, she is in the room means inside. Now see, time. What is time talking here? Time means what? Longer period. Yes or no? Longer time period, like for months, years, centuries, already taught in the previous videos. Yes or no? If you have not seen, go and watch these videos. Then like for example, see, example, I was born in July. Yes or no? I was born in July. All right, so you can say that her anniversary is in March. Okay, means we are talking about we are talking about for a longer period of time. Yes or no? Here we are talking about time, and here we are talking about the room. Okay, so you can use here in also, and even here also you can use in. So don't get confused that why we are using here in, and even here also why we are using in. So in we can use both in place. Okay, both in place of what? In place and in time. All right, now let's move on. Okay, now next is what? Next is on. Okay, next is on. Now see, place and time. Again, we are talking about only place and time because this is the very important. Okay, because this especially this in this two things. Okay, like place and time, the students they get confused. Okay, where to use in, where to use on, where to use at and by. All right, now see, place we have already learned that if we are talking about on means we are if it is a surface. Okay, so if we are talking about, if the sentence is talking about a surface, then we are going to use what? We are going to use on. Like for example, see, the book is on the table. Suppose here is a table and here is a book. Suppose what suppose means here, see, here book is touching the surface of the table. All right, means the book is touching the surface of the table, so we will use what? We will use on in place of what? In place. Okay, now next is what? Time. Time is used for specific days or dates. Yes or no? Then see here, example, I have a meeting on Monday. All right, meaning what? Means what? The meeting is during Monday. Yes or no? The meeting is during Monday. So days already explained. Go and watch the videos. Okay, then you will be very much clear. So next is what? Next is at. Okay, next is at. Now see, at is also used in used where? Used in place and also in time. Now see, place, at place we use. Okay, where we use, see, we have learned in the previous class that at is only used in time. I have not explained to use in place. Okay, now see, at is also used in place, a specific point or location. At is used in specific, it is a very specific point or location. Okay, now see, even in also. Okay, at also. All right, in also, Like for example, if I'll talk about in also talks about what? Place. Yes or no? In also it is talking about place. So don't get confused. Like for example, I will say I live in Shillong. Where? Suppose I live in Shillong. Okay. Now see, means inside Shillong I'm living. Okay. What if I will give a particular place? Means exact location. Suppose I say I live at golf link. Okay, golf link. This is what means I'm giving a specific location. Okay, a particular location that yes, definitely in Shillong you will reach where? You will reach in golf link. Okay, this is my particular location. So this is the difference between in and at. We use in for place also, and we use at for place also. Means both are used for place. All right, so don't get confused. Now see, at is also used for time. Yes or no? Already explained. At is also used for time. See, at is used for time for what? Exact time. Like for example, the class starts at 8. What? The class starts at 8 a.m. Means what? At the specific. Means what? At the specific hour. At the specific hour. Means very specific hour. And what is that specific hour? 8. 8 a.m. means 8 a.m. So you are not going to change. Alright. Next is what? Next is by. Okay, now see. By. By we use for place also and for time also. Okay. Now by is used for near or beside. Okay. By is used for near, or you can say near or beside is the same thing only. Okay. Like for example, the house is by the river. Means the house is, suppose here is a river and here is a house. Okay. And here is what? And here is a house. Means by the river means it is very close to the river. Okay. Means beside the river. Now see, we'll talking about a time. Not later than means what? Means deadline. Means not later than means it should be not late. Okay. Means by time you have to complete this homework. Suppose I am see, example is given here. Submit the homework by Friday. Okay. Means by Friday means on Friday you have to submit. Okay. On Friday or before Friday. You can submit before Friday or on Friday, but the deadline is what? Friday. You cannot submit your homework after Friday. Alright, so in this case we are using what? We are using by. Now see, means on or before Friday. Alright, now we'll move on. So we have learned the 4 important prepositions which are very confusing. Okay, now see, we'll see a quick recap. Okay, this quick recap helps you understand more. Okay, preposition, place meaning and time meaning. Okay, let me divide this so that you'll not get confused. Okay, in. Okay, on. Prepositions are what? In, on, at, by. We are learning this in this video. Now in is used for inside something, and what? For time. Okay, for place we use inside something, and for time we use months and years. Okay, on is used on a surface. Okay, if we are talking about place, that means we are what? We are using for on a surface. Then, and if we are talking about time, we are using if we are talking about times, then what? Days and dates. Now come to at. Okay, now at specific point or location. Okay, means exact location you are giving and exact time. All right, now by is what? By is near something or no later than deadline. Place, for place near something, or for time no later than deadline. All right, now tips to remember. Ask yourself, okay, suppose if the sentence is about the place. Okay, we know that for place which question word we use? We use where. Yes or no? So ask yourself what? Where is it? Okay, and for time what we use? When. Yes or no? And for time, what we use? We use when. So when is it? Okay, all right. So then choose the correct preposition. If you know how to question, okay, if there is a sentence and if you know how to question yourself that where is it, if you understood the question, if it is talking about the place, then you know where to use what. Okay, where to use in, where to use on, where to use at. Okay, then, and if you know about the, if that question is talking about the time, then ask the question what, the question will come when. Okay, so then choose the correct preposition, then you will automatically you will get the correct preposition. You will not get any confused in any of the what, in any of the sentence. All right, so this is the end of the explanation in today's videos. I hope you have understood this confusing word of preposition like in, on, at, by. So that's it for today. If you have understood this video, okay, then please like, share and subscribe. And that's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.